Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is gonna be like slightly different because it's gonna be a vlog, but we're actually doing something exciting today that will be included in this video.
We're really excited about it. It's kind of like a little staycation, but we're not gonna spoil too much till we're there because then we can tell you all about it.
But basically we're just going like into Manhattan for like one night, so we're going really, really far, as you can tell.
A long subway ride. No, just kidding. It's really not long at all.
I actually think we only ever stayed overnight in Manhattan like one other time, like in our relationship.
But it is actually fun for us because like we lived in Brooklyn. We never like really stay overnight in Manhattan. So when we get to do that, it's like pretty fun. So I think it's gonna be a pretty special night. And also it was Valentine's Day yesterday. So this is kind of like sort of like a little Valentine's week treat.
So we actually have to pack for our little staycation. So I thought it'd be a little interesting to show you what we pack if we're only going away for like one night, because like we don't really need a lot of stuff, but you still need like essentials and stuff.
Yeah, but basically we don't have to pack a lot. We already got dressed for the day and we're just gonna wear this outfit tonight. So that's like the outfits that we're wearing right now. Shanna did my hair really cute. Look how cute it is.
You can do a little pose. Cute, cute. You're gonna be alone tonight, bud.
It's gonna be so sad.
What do you think about that?
He says, I own this house.
Okay, so we keep our sorry, Rascal, I need to go like that to you.
He's pissed now.
So when we go away for one night, we just kind of pack like our duffel bags, and mine is like in this drawer under our bed, so I gotta get it out. Ugh. Okay, so these are the bags we use for we're just going away for like the weekend or one night. There are Baboon to the Moon, like I forgot the name of the actual bag, but it's like a mini.
I think it's called a go bag.
Yeah, go bag.
It's called a go bag, but it's like a duffel bag basically, but it has a lot of room. You can see Shanna and I have them in different colors, and it's like perfect for like a one night stay kind of thing. So I think we're both gonna pack that. And then this is our little like toiletry bag. It's amazing.
Wait, show the why we like it so much.
Oh my god, it has like 1 million pockets, but oops, sorry, it's stuck. But also, it has like a hook, so basically you can hang it on a door in like the bathroom of the hotel or room or Airbnb or wherever you're staying.
And then you don't have to like take up counter space with all your toiletry bags, so that's why we like that.
You can tell there's some things we don't unpack.
Yeah.
It's like things that we always have in here, like
That's
hairbrush, makeup wipes, etc.
Yeah.
So we'll pack that for our one night stay, even though we don't need a lot of stuff.
All right, so we're gonna get to packing, and then we'll show you what is inside of our bags. Okay, so this is our little duffel bag packed. So I just have like one outfit for tomorrow, which is like a sweatshirt and leggings. And I brought this beanie because it's supposed to be a little chilly, but we're also like tomorrow doing something after the hotel thing where we're gonna be outside. So definitely need this stuff. And then this is my like makeup / like travel case that I bring everywhere. It's like half pre-packed already. I just have like my makeup and like lotions and extra masks and hair ties and stuff in it. I also brought my straightener, socks, underwear, the Jest. Gabby packed very similarly.
Yeah, basically change of clothes, some warm weather stuff. I packed like our cosmetics bag because we kind of switch off on like who's packing it more or less, but there's not a lot in it. So extra phone charger, scrunchie, and I always wind up being really cold when we go to hotels. Like it's just like those rooms are so cold, so I packed an extra sweatshirt just to be safe.
All right, so I think that's it. I mean, obviously I'm gonna bring you all my camera. That's gonna be in my backpack, so.
Oh yeah, I have my camera in a separate backpack too.
So we're just gonna zip everything up and then we're all packed. That took us literally 5 minutes.
So easy packing for one night, it's crazy.
I just checked my phone, and the thing that we're going to tonight is, as you all know, is in Manhattan because we already said that. But they just sent us an Uber gift card to go, which is really, really exciting because that means that we don't have to take the train if we don't want to. And I think if you've been watching our vlogs recently, we have said that the subway has been like kind of like really weird since COVID. It's getting a little bit better now that like it seems like things are a bit more normal, but basically every time we go on the subway, something crazy happens or something weird and we just feel like uncomfortable. So it's nice to know that we don't have to take the subway if we don't want to. So thanks for the Uber gift card, peeps.
All right, so it is later in the day now, so I think we just got all of our stuff together that we kind of like packed earlier, and now we are gonna head in an Uber to go to the thing we're doing tonight.
All right, ready? We're gonna do a little transition. Ready? We'll see you all there. 3, 2, 1. We made it.
We made it.
Okay, so we can finally tell you what we're doing. We are doing a staycation with the new Motto by Hilton Hotel in Chelsea, which is an area of Manhattan, and we are super, super excited about it.
We just got here and everybody was so nice. This hotel is so beautiful and it smells so good, which is weird to say, but like the whole place just like smells amazing. But anyway, we're at our room now and it is so cute, and not to mention we have the most amazing view ever.
I need to show you all the view, okay? I don't know if you're ready for this, because it's one of the most insane New York City views you've ever seen. Look at this. That is the Freedom Tower. Oh, my finger just went in focus, but that's a Freedom Tower right there. That is like, what? Like, this is an amazing view.
Yeah, and if you go in that direction even, like, look, the sun is like setting right now. We came at the perfect time.
Like, so insane. I'm obsessed with this view. Also, it kind of like, you can kind of get really close to the window, like a little bit scary if you're afraid of heights. We're not afraid of heights, so we're good.
But it literally looks like we're like right up against this window. How fun is that?
Also, the screen says, "Welcome, Gabby," so personalized.
I'm here. Yes, I am.
All right, Gabby is our room tour goddess. She's gonna give us a little room tour.
Since I always give the room tours, I'm gonna give you a tour of this room. It is so cute. We're in the front right now, and the bathroom's right here, so I'm gonna show you that first. There's like this super cute shower.
I love the tiles.
Love the tiles, very cool and chic. And then over here, the sink and everything is actually out here, which I think is really cool.
Yeah, it's like a little bit different. There's a full-length mirror right here as well, so double mirror action.
Oh yes, and this closes obviously, so you could have more room if you don't want the bathroom open.
I'm
having trouble closing it, ignore that. Okay. Anyway, they left like a bunch of beauty products for us, which was really, really sweet. We're definitely gonna try some of those tonight, make it like cozy in here. Perfect for a staycation. And then this is the room. There's like a little bed, and they left us a bunch of other things on the bed. I guess we could show you that.
Yeah, so this looks like it's like pajamas and I guess a sleeping mask, which is great because Gabby and I don't have these for when we're flying on the airplane, so this is gonna be so useful. And we
also
love matching pajamas.
Yeah, we do love matching pajamas, and it's perfect for tonight since we're having a little staycation. It's actually nice to get in some cozy pajamas, put on a sleep mask, and there's even like a sleep tincture here, which we definitely are gonna have to try. As well as they gave us some like snacks and stuff for the morning, I think, like coffee and kombucha, which is just so perfect.
Also, they have this little like guide to the neighborhood of Chelsea. So there's just like some cool things you can do in this neighborhood, like the High Line, Chelsea Market, the Rubin Museum, Madison Square Park, Chelsea Piers. We've been to a lot of those, obviously, because we're local New Yorkers. But if you are not a local New Yorker, that's great information to know.
Yeah, and definitely doing all of that would be so fun. I love walking around like this whole area. It's like a great area to walk around in the city. So we also have the amazing view that we were just showing you on like the opposite side of the bed. I feel like we're gonna have to...
I'm obsessed with this view.
I am obsessed with the
view.
Like,
I just want to like look at it the whole time.
I think it'll be really cool tonight when like the sun has set and like the whole city's lit up. So we're gonna have to come back here later and show you what it looks like at night.
For sure.
But also there's one more thing I didn't show you guys. There's this super cute little movie area, like where you can sit and like watch a movie over here, and it's like a little movie seating bench, and they left us some popcorn and some like little cocktails, as well as Motto Chelsea's movie recommendations.
Thank you so much, Motto by Chelsea, for hosting us for this little staycation. So far, we are having the best time ever. We literally only got here like 5 minutes ago.
But we're definitely gonna show you everything else that we get up to here because we're really excited to have this staycation. And I mean, so far it's amazing. This is like the perfect kind of room for us. Shanna and I love it when it's like not too big of a room and it's like styled really cool, which this room is, and it seems like there's so many cool things. Not to mention this view, I'm never gonna get over it. I feel like we're gonna fall asleep with the windows open, looking at the view, and then we're gonna wake up and look at the view.
Okay, so because we're doing a little staycation with the hotel, they have like a few things planned. So I think we're going to get like a property tour and like have like a mixology class or something like that, and also have dinner in their bar downstairs. So we have a lot of fun things.
Yeah, which is pretty cool. I mean, I don't think we've actually done a mixology class before. I'm trying to think about that.
Or maybe it's like a demo. We don't really know what it is. A lot of times when we do these things, we just get the information, we show up, and then we just like see what it is when we get there.
Yeah, so I guess we'll see, and we'll be taking you along.
So this is called a Giacomo in Italian, which means yellow. We're probably butchering the pronunciation of it.
We always butcher the pronunciation. You guys know that, but it's yellow because the drink is like citrusy.
And made of lemon.
And made of lemon, exactly. So it is literally yellow, and there's like chocolate on the outside.
Gotta try it.
So good. Vegan cauliflower steak looks amazing.
Gabby, you have to try it.
I have to try it. You're right. Okay, wait. I'll try first.
Yeah. Delish. They've had such good vegan options here.
Amazing.
For our hotel, I'm very impressed.
We're back.
Okay, so we are back from our dinner and drinks, and that was super, I'll say it one more time, super fun.
We had such a blast. We kind of like viewed the hotel a little bit. We went and did this like mixology thing where like the bartender showed us how to make this like amazing drink, which Shanna, you would have already seen those clips, but it was super good. And then we had dinner with everybody, and it was amazing Italian food. So good.
Yeah, and they actually had a lot of really good vegan options, which for a hotel, I will say is pretty rare. It's not all that often that we go to a hotel and have a good vegan meal, and this place had a really good like bunch of different vegan options, so good to know.
So you could say that we're super impressed, and so far we're having an amazing staycation, but now I think it's time for us to do the part of the staycation where we relax and get into pajamas and maybe use some products. I don't know what, but like that's what we're gonna do.
Pajama time.
Pajama time.
Also, how insane is this view at night? I mean, I know during the day we filmed it and it was beautiful, but look at it at night too. Like,
anyway, it's incredible.
This
you
is
can
insane.
see all of the cars like going down the streets of New York City. It's so sick.
Look at us.
Thriving.
These matching pajamas are so soft.
They're like the softest pajamas ever. I feel like I need to check what the brand is, but I love them, and I like that they're blue too. I feel like we look
And
so
actually,
cute.
I just realized as we're filming this way, it matches like the color scheme of this
of the room.
room.
These are really the comfiest pajamas ever, and I'm so excited that we get to wear matching pajamas tonight.
Actually, when we were doing the hotel room tour, one of the women that we were with was saying that like the theme of this hotel is like 24/7, kind of like how New York City is like, 24/7. You could do things at any time of day or night that you want. But also this hotel is on 24th Street in between 7th Ave. That's really cool.
It's literally 24/7.
Literally.
I mean, how cool is that? And I'm so excited to just like get all cozy, eat popcorn in bed, and watch the Olympics together in our cozy pajamas.
Eating popcorn.
And watching the Olympics. Let's do this.
In bed, in pajamas.
Normally, if you know us, you know we would not dare to eat anything in bed, but it's a staycation, baby.
Okay, so we just got a knock at the door, and someone from the hotel came up to bring us Tipsy Scoop vegan ice cream, which is basically like ice cream that has like alcohol in it, I guess.
Cannot believe they brought us raspberry limoncello sorbet and mango margarita sorbet, and they also brought us, this is so insane, like a kit with like spoons, toppings, coasters. We're gonna have to make our own ice creams right now.
All right, so this is the creation that Gabby made. It is, I have raspberry sorbet that has like limoncello in it, I think, and she has mango with...
It's like mango margarita or something. And I actually put a scoop of that ice cream under too because I wasn't sure which flavor I would like, so.
But also they gave us like toppings and sprinkles, so excited.
And coasters. Let's go eat this in bed. I never get to eat ice cream in bed.
This is like a real slumber party.
Okay, so I'm literally just holding this so Shanna can try this in bed. Also, Shanna never eats in bed, so I'm literally getting footage of this on purpose.
Yum.
What do you think? I want you to try my mango flavor. I think you're going to like it better.
Oh, I like that one.
You like it?
Yeah. I just like rainbow sprinkles.
She just likes all the rainbow sprinkles I put on top.
Yum.
Yum. This is the best sleepover we've ever had, and we sleep in the same house every day.
We finished our tipsy ice cream, but we didn't really like eat the whole thing because we were super full from dinner.
It was so yummy, though. I really liked the mango flavor. That was my favorite of the two.
So I think we're just going to basically watch some of the Olympics and get cozy and go to bed. But tomorrow we are going to do a little bit more fun stuff. We want to try and take a picture because the view is insane here. And we might stay like in Manhattan, like go to like a coffee shop or something.
Yeah, just like do something fun. And we're also going to definitely be sleeping with our window open because we're like, it is insane to have this view. We never have this view. We live in Brooklyn and we are literally like not on like a high floor like this. So
yeah, we're on the 39th floor right now, so no one could literally see in our window. Like there's nothing even remotely close to us, so we can sleep with the window open safely.
Yeah, so we're like, we're gonna see like all the city lights at night, leave the window open, and then when we wake up it'll get bright in here and we'll be able to see like the city in the morning and it'll be so nice.
But yeah, so we've been loving it here at the Motto so far. We've had such a good experience. Everyone here has been so nice and so sweet to us. And we're obsessed and we kind of want to live here.
Definitely one of my favorite hotels that we've ever stayed in, and we stayed at a lot of hotels, especially for New York. This is like my top favorite. You have to come here if you're staying in New York. It's so cute. I don't know. It's amazing.
All right, good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
We're gonna cuddle now. See ya.
Good morning, everyone.
These are the coziest pajamas of all time.
Truly. And we woke up to the most insane view again. Still cannot believe that this is the view from our hotel. I'm just gonna show you all again. Like, this view does not disappoint. Like, no matter what time of day it is, it's just insane. I can't. Anyway, so it's about 9:30 now.
We woke up and we took some pictures actually, so Shanna can like insert those here, I guess, but that was kind of fun.
And then now we're gonna go take a shower and then we're gonna go to like a little coffee shop.
We are checking out this morning because we were only doing like a one-night staycation, but we're obsessed with this place and we don't want to leave.
All right, so we are all showered and we changed, and sadly, we have to check out now.
Which is so sad because we absolutely loved staying here, but we're not done having fun yet. We're about to go out in the city because, I mean, we just woke up in Manhattan.
Yeah,
Normally
which never happens. So we are gonna do that, but we have to check out first, and then we'll show you where we're going.
Yes. Also, thank you so much to Motto for having us like this last night. It was amazing. We would definitely come and stay here again, and if you're coming to New York, you definitely have to come stay here. I mean, the views, like, we've been talking about them all of this video, but I don't think you can beat these views, like, for a hotel in New York City. Like, I don't think it's possible. This is amazing. And it's a brand new hotel, so everything is super nice and super clean and trendy. Obsessed. The best part about staying in a hotel is Shanna is not making me make the bed. This is staying like this. I am so happy right now. She's shaking her head.
She's crazy. Look how good all of this food looks.
Oh my god. Shanna also surprised me and got a chocolate pistachio croissant. Jaw to the floor. So excited to try this. I love pistachio.
And we also got coffees and they're coming.
Yeah, we're waiting for those before we have our avocado toast, which looks amazing and actually has like stuff you can add on top. So we just got our coffees. Look how amazing those look.
So good.
Yummy?
Delicious. We're back home.
Just made it back home.
But when we were in the city, we actually went to Aritzia, which is one of our favorite stores, and we might have spent some money and got some pieces of stuff that we wanted / needed.
Yeah, just like a few little things, and we just like walked around the city, but after that we were like, okay, I think we're done shopping because we both found something we wanted and like both got it, so it was like, okay, I think we spent enough money now for us for a while, especially for me because I do not like spending money, especially like on clothes. And we had like a brunch. It was really, really nice, and it was just really fun like being in the city and walking around.
But we're back home in Brooklyn now, so we are going to end our little staycation video here. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you again to Motto by Hilton in Chelsea for hosting us. We had the absolute best time ever. But thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another video. Bye!